Hello, everyone. I'm Jennifer J., a third grade teacher in Georgia currently. So, this week we had to incorporate technology, which I'm sure many of us are doing given the circumstances we started since last year, even incorporating more technology into our classrooms. But for this week, we were challenged to incorporate technology for academic standards or a set of skills. I decided to use the blending learning space for one of my assignments. Never really played around or used blended space, but I decided I wanted to try it out. Blended Space is a platform where there are different workspaces where you can attach quizzes, activities, anchor charts, even questions for your learners. And once you've attached them to the workspace, they can type their responses and they can have a discussion. And what's really unique about the discussion, which is not like our traditional discussion board on eClass or any other platform, kind of looks like a text message or an email where they can talk to each other. So I think the appeal of the text box where they can message each other and engage and collaborate, I found that fascinating. The workspace, there's squares where children can, read the assignment, read the quiz, read the question, and complete their assignments. There's a spot where you can even embed videos that you find off of BrainPop or even YouTube. Blend Space also has lessons that were made by other teachers. So it reminds me of Nearpod. So I chose to use Blended Space for my lesson this week. And another tool that I used was the Screencast-Matic, where I'm sure a lot of us have used it, where you're able to demonstrate and model your thinking and really show your kids what an instructional strategy or what a strategy will look like. And what's unique about the Screencast-Matic is that you can attach it to your web page or to your Google Classroom or any other platform where you communicate with your children, and they can message each other. They can also look at the video, refer to the video at home, in school. They can play it a number of times, which is very different from how we learned. We had the textbook and that was it. If you missed it from the teacher, you weren't able to go back. But the Screencast-O-Matic gives children the opportunity to pause, go back, rewind, and really enhance their learning. It really engages and builds that interest for learning. Thank you.